In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook when it gets stuck on loading profile. This is a really common issue, and it can happen when Outlook freezes during startup, won't open properly, or just sits there on that loading screen forever. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a couple of quick steps without reinstalling anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, if Outlook is stuck on loading profile, the very first thing you want to do is force it to close. To do that, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. Now look through the list for Outlook. Depending on your system, it may appear under Apps or Processes. Once you find Outlook, click it once to highlight it, then select End Task at the bottom right. This will fully close Outlook, even if it's frozen and not responding. If Outlook is still running in the background, this step is important because a stuck process can keep the loading screen from clearing. After you end a task, wait a few seconds, then try opening Outlook normally again. Just click the Outlook icon like you usually would and see if it launches correctly this time. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If Outlook opens properly, then great, you're done. But if it still gets stuck on loading profile, the next thing to try is opening Outlook in safe mode. Safe mode starts Outlook with minimal features and without certain add-ins that may be causing the issue. To do this, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type outlook.exe/safe and press enter. If that does not work, you can also try searching for Outlook in the start menu while holding Control, or use a shortcut that launches it in safe mode depending on your setup. When Outlook opens in safe mode, pay attention to whether it loads successfully. If it does, then the problem may be caused by a faulty add-in, extension, or another startup issue. From there, you can go into Outlook settings and begin disabling add-ins one by one until you find the one that is causing the freeze. If Outlook still won't load even in safe mode, you may need to continue with additional repair steps, but this process is the best first place to start. So the quick fix is, force Outlook closed using Task Manager. Reopen it normally, and if the issue continues, launch it in safe mode. These steps solve the loading profile problem for many users and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.